Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Webex app settings to a new iPhone, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer Webex app settings to a new iPhone, start by ensuring both devices are updated to the latest. Next, back up your old iPhone using iCloud or iTunes. If you choose iCloud, go to Settings, tap on your name, and select iCloud. Make sure Webex is toggled on in the list of apps to backup. For iTunes, connect your old iPhone to your computer, launch iTunes, and select your device. Click on Backup now to create a backup. Once the backup is complete, set up your new iPhone. During the setup process, choose Restore from iCloud Backup or Restore from iTunes Backup, depending on your choice. Sign in to your Apple ID when prompted and select the appropriate backup to restore your data. After your new iPhone is set up, download the Webex app from the App Store. Sign in with the same Webex account you used on your old device. Once logged in, your app settings should automatically sync. If settings do not transfer as expected, check your Webex account settings in the app. This may include preferences like notifications, meeting settings, and integrations. You can manually adjust any settings that did not transfer. Finally, ensure that all features and settings are functioning correctly on your new iPhone. Your Webex app should now be fully set up with your preferred settings on your new device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.